inches. Here they come.
This video does include an affiliate link to IcyBreeze. If you use one of the links either above or in the description and make a purchase, I do receive a commission. With that being said, let's check out my new IcyBreeze Platinum portable air conditioner unit. Along with the IcyBreeze Platinum, I also got the 12-volt power supply, the battery charger, and the 10 AH battery. This is the IcyBreeze portable air conditioner unit. It does have the multi-directional vent, like a car vent. You can actually turn it any direction. It also has a stay-put flex hose that disconnects here, and you can point it in any direction. The lid of the cooler or the air conditioner unit does have two cup holders, the little battery dock, and the control panel. The stay-put flex hose detaches from here from the main vent, and you can actually point this in any direction. There are some attachments that you can get to extend and split this. The control panel in the Platinum Edition has a low, medium, and high, and extreme cool. That's the little power button. It has an outlet where you can do a cord for just a regular power from a wall. It also has a little USB port here where you can charge your devices, or you can order a corded remote that you can control the cooler with. The unit itself can hold up to 30 pounds of ice, and it weighs, with the battery on it, at about 18 pounds, 17 pounds dry without anything inside it. Taking a look inside, there's the coil that actually does all the work. Got the tubes. You'll want to fill it up with water to this fill line here just above the drain spout, and the water is sucked in through here, circulated up through the heat condenser, and then distributed back through and circulates the cold ice water to cause the air conditioning effect. You can also get other accessories such as the 110-volt power supply, the 12-volt power supply, which I have with this model, an 8-foot corded remote, 4-foot hose extension kit. They also have a dual AC kit that has a Y splitter and 2 of the 4-foot extension kits. The rechargeable battery, you can get it in the 10 or the 6th. Battery charger and a super speed power port and 12-volt charger that you can use to charge your different devices, or you can use this in addition to the 12-volt power supply and recharge your battery from a vehicle. And that's just a quick little unboxing video of my new IcyBreeze Platinum. Stay tuned and subscribe, and my next video will take this out, give it a test run on the beach, and see how well it cools. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing. Again, this video does contain an affiliate link for IcyBreeze. If you use one of the links either above or in the description and make a purchase, I do receive a commission. Thank you again. And this is with the battery pack on top of the IcyBreeze. It does have a handle and wheels where you can roll it like a cooler, and a little drain port here. We close that. We're going to put some water in it and turn it on to see what it sounds like and what it does. So the first thing you want to do is to fill the bottom of the cooler, at least to this fill line right here, with water. I'm going to pour in some ice, and we're going to try it out. When I actually use this on the beach, in addition to the loose ice I put in there in the water, I'm going to put a couple of frozen water jugs in there just to give it a thicker ice body to see if that makes it last longer. You want the water in the bottom to at least cover this intake port and return port. What it does, it circulates this cold water that's going to be in the ice up through the condenser and causes your air conditioning. The IcyBreeze can hold up to 30 pounds of ice. For this demonstration, I'm just putting enough ice in the bottom there just to chill the water. But when I take it down for the beach demonstration, I'll have this full of ice and a frozen jug. So I went ahead and opened up the little vent there, putting the battery back on. And we're going to turn the power on. It's on low cool right now. And just with a little bit of ice and water that's in there, I can already feel a big difference. Blowing very strong. Let that circulate just a little bit to get the water through the tubing, since this is the first time I've used it. Not too loud in that position. Let's see. Turn it to medium. And high is a little louder. I will be using it on the beach, so I don't think that's going to be an issue. And it also has an extreme cool. A little bit of a grind sound there for the start. Let's see how it feels. This is on high and extreme cool. Oh yeah, definite difference. There you have it. The IcyBreeze portable AC unit. And that's the sound it makes on high and the extreme cool. So I was worried it was going to be too noisy, but I don't believe so. Thank you for watching the videos, and let's take it to the beach. And with a flexible tube up,